How to get purple color notes on Instagram. Let's get started. First, update your Instagram app. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Now, click on this message icon given at the top right corner. At the very top, you're gonna find the notes section. Now, how to get purple color notes? For that, click on the option Add a Note. Now type in anything you'd like to add in your note. Use heartbreak emoji or the black heart and then share it. Your note's color will be changed to purple color. Using these emojis, you can turn your notes to the purple color. So this is how you can get purple color notes on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.